Hi guys, in today's video I will show how to make effect like this. So please rub a like and enjoy watching. First, open a new document of size 1000 by 1000 pixels and you need to set not more than 8 bits. Set black background, because if you don't do this, you can't correctly do this effect. Click create, then write text on what you want to do this effect. You need to paint the text in white color. Now scale our text, and the main thing isn't to make it too big. Then move it on the middle. Connect the layer by pressing Ctrl E. Go to filter, stylize, then click on extrude and set parameters like me. Now we have this effect, but also we need to blur the edge of the text, so click to filter, then radial blur and set parameters like me. We have done this effect that we want, and all you have to do is make bigger radial blur, apply color or gradient, and process it with the camera raw filter. For bigger radial blur, press Ctrl Alt F 1 or 2 times. Go to gradient and set gradient what we want. Set overlay from normal to overlay. Now I need to do this processing, so go to camera raw filter and set parameters like me. That's the end of this video. If I said something incorrect, please write in the comment where I said it correctly and how it will be correct. I have to do this because English isn't my native language. If you want cool design or video editing, write me on Instagram and I will make it for you. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends who need video tutorial for Photoshop. Good luck and see you in the next one.